Hi, I'm Dr. Sangeeta Honnur, founder and director of Smile Elements Dental, Bellandur, Bangalore. The best way to store a toothbrush is to keep it dry. So we would say in a tumbler or a container where you're going to be placing the toothbrush is to keep it in an upright position where the water can drain itself and dry the toothbrush, as bacteria thrive in wet conditions. So once when you rinse, it's good to kind of hold the toothbrush under running water, preferably hot if you can, for some time so all the bacteria can be rinsed out, and then you can keep it in an upright position. And other considerations for a toothbrush storage is try to keep it away from the sink. There would be water that is spilling as you wash and rinse, something that we need to be aware of. And the one more important thing is keeping it away or distance apart, at least like 5 feet away from the toilet, because there is, as you flush the toilet, there is aerosol that can contaminate the toothbrush. And especially if you're traveling and putting a toothbrush in a very tight, airtight pouch may not be a good idea. And if you do so, keep it in a pouch. It's best to rinse it under hot water before keeping it upright and using it. And these days, a lot of people use electric toothbrushes, which they do use for longer and are kind of more expensive than regular toothbrushes. So, I mean, when you're using a regular toothbrush, and most of the times patients ask us if you have like a strep throat or a cold, or you're getting over a viral infection, is it good to continue using your toothbrush? That's when we say it's okay to use it as long as you have kind of disinfected it well. Or if you're using your electric toothbrush, which is relatively new, and then you want to disinfect it. So we also sanitize the toothbrush. That's when you can either use hydrogen peroxide in the ratio of hydrogen peroxide 1 to water 1 and soak your toothbrush for half an hour or so, and then rinse it thoroughly under water, and then you can use it. Bleach can actually be used to clean the toothbrush. So 1 part of bleach to 10 parts of water, and soak it again for half an hour and wash it is another way of doing it. But the most simple way of even having it in your bathroom and having to sanitize it would be to just soak the toothbrush in mouthwash. Keep it in mouthwash for some time, and rinse it off can sanitize the toothbrush. There are other ways which I'm not sure which are more followed, where you can put your toothbrush in the dishwasher or so, but I believe this would reduce the life of the toothbrush, though it does disinfect it. And making sure you discard your toothbrush once in 3 months is a good way to have a nice toothbrush.